Okay, so now we created our first product. Now what we want to do is add more images to this product. For that, it's going to be pretty easy. We're just going to duplicate this artboard and just replace the image. It's pretty easy. So for that, go to your artboard tool and duplicate it as you would duplicate any other element. So Alt, Shift, and drag to over here. That way you have everything in order. You drag one, let's add another one. Perfect. Now we have 3 artboards, each one for each image. So let's zoom in. Let's work on this one first. So double click, then let's get rid of that image. Let's go to File, Place, and let's go to your Assets folder, to your Images folder. Let's select a different image. This is a different one. Look 3B. Yep.
Yeah, I'm home. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I really interrupted the whole thing?
Yeah.
Was it a bad one?
That's okay.
Alright, I'm going home. I'm tired.
Okay.
See ya.
See ya. So, File, Place, and then let's select the next image. The next image is going to be Look 3B. Depends on your product. So, right here, let's drag. Around there should be nice. It's a little bit offset, so just put it there in the middle, so it fills the whole canvas. I'm liking this. So we have our second photo, but our second photo should resemble the second point here. So let's zoom in and actually change that. So for that, just press your selection tool, select your group, and then this one should look like this. So the easier way to do that is actually just select the eyedropper, and now it looks like that. This one is active, and this one should be inactive. So select this one, eyedropper, and select the other one. Perfect. Second image is selected. That's good. Now let's change this one. Double click. Have an image. Let's delete this one. And let's File, Place, the third photo. So the third photo is going to be this one. You just place it here. Wow, this is nice. I like it. Let's double click outside. Let's do the same thing here. So double click this group. This one, eyedropper. This one looks like this. And this one, it should look like this one. So select the eyedropper and then click here. Perfect. That's fine. Let's see. Perfect. We have now the product page with the 3 images, and the carousel menu is telling you what image you have selected. Perfect. This was a quick one. This is starting to look really good, right? Okay, in the next one, we're actually going to create the menu for selecting a size. It's going to be fun.